Hi everyone, welcome to Competitive GAN. This is the part 10 of Indian Polity MCQ series, and in this part we will cover 50 important MCQ questions and answers. Let's start the session. Question number 1. In which year anti-defection law was passed by the Indian Parliament? Answer. In 1985 by the 52nd Amendment. Next, who founded the Republican Party of India? Answer. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar founded the Republican Party of India. Next question. Who had played key role in formation of Lokpal Bill in India? Answer. Anna Hazare. Next, which is the highest constitutional office in India? Answer. The office of the President is the highest constitutional office in India. Next, the Mandal Commission Report refers to. Answer. The other backward classes, that is the socially and economically backward classes. Next, the Wildlife Protection Act was implemented in India in which year? Answer. The Wildlife Protection Act was implemented in India in 1972. Next question. In which year was the Prevention of Terrorism Act enacted in India? Answer. In 2002. Next, the National Green Tribunal deals with cases relating to. Answer. Environmental protection and conservation of forest. Next, the first general election in India and the first amendment to the Constitution was held in. Answer. In 1951. Next, the salary of President has been taken from which fund of India? Answer. The Consolidated Fund of India. Next question. In which year was the National Food Security Bill passed? Answer. The National Food Security Bill was passed in 2013. Next, in January 2019, which state became the first Indian state to implement 10% reservation for the economically weaker sections? Answer. Gujarat. Next, which article of the Indian Constitution provides for a president of the country? Answer. Article 52. Next, which of the following became a union territory of India in 1954 after about 280 years of French rule? Answer. Puducherry, and initially its name was Pondicherry. Next, who was the 24th Governor of the Reserve Bank of India? Answer. Urjit Patel. Next, who designed the logo for Lokpal in India? Answer. Prashant Mishra designed the logo for Lokpal in India. Next, who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution. Next, how much time the Constituent Assembly took to frame the Constitution of India? Answer. 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. Next, when did the Constituent Assembly adopt the national flag? Answer. In 22 July 1947. Next, the Constitution of India was completed on. Answer. On November 26, 1949. Next, January 26 was selected as the date for the inauguration of the Constitution because. Answer. The Congress had observed this day as the Independence Day in 1930. Next, when was Jana Gana Mana adopted as the national anthem of India? Answer: in 24th January 1950. The Constitution of India was enacted on 26 November 1949 by the answer Constituent Assembly. Next, on which date the state emblem of India was adopted by the Government of India? Answer: in 26th January 1950. Next, the Constituent Assembly was Congress and Congress was India. Who said this? Answer: famous historian Granville Austin. Next, how many women members were there in the Indian Constituent Assembly? Answer: 15. Next, in Indian political system, which one is supreme? Answer: the Constitution. Next, the idea of the preamble has been borrowed from the Constitution of which country? Answer: from France. Next, the system of judicial review exists in which of the following country? Answer: in India and USA. Next, the idea of the concurrent list in the Indian Constitution has been borrowed from the Constitution of which country? Answer: from Australia. Next, the concept of fundamental duties has been taken from the Constitution of which country? Answer: from Russian Constitution, that is from Soviet Rus. Next question, the concept of fundamental rights as incorporated in Indian Constitution has been adopted from which country? Answer: from United States of America. Next, the tradition of written constitution began from which of the following countries? Answer: from America. Next, there were originally how many articles in the Constitution of India? Answer: 395. Next, how many parts, articles and schedule was there in the original Indian Constitution? Answer: 22 parts, 395 articles and 8 schedules are there in the original Indian Constitution. Next, which part of our Constitution envisages a three-tier system of panchayats? Answer: Part IX. Next, fourth schedule of the Constitution of India deals with answer: allocation of seats for the Council of States or Rajya Sabha. Next, which of the following is the subject of concurrent list? Answer: the criminal matters is the subject of concurrent list. Next, which one of the following schedule of the Constitution of India contains provisions regarding Anti-Defection Act? Answer: the 10th schedule. Next, by whom national emergency in the Republic of India can only be declared? Answer: by President, the national emergency in India can be declared. Next, in which list of the Indian Constitution the Panchayat Raj subject is included? Answer: Panchayat Raj is included in the state list. Next, the President can dismiss a member of the Council of Ministers on the recommendation of whom? Answer: on recommendation of Prime Minister. Next, which one of the following is in the state list? Answer: the railway police comes under the state list. Next, who among the following was the first Prime Minister from Southern India? Answer: P.V. Narasimha Rao was the first Prime Minister from Southern India. Next, under which article the constitutional status has been given to panchayats? Answer: under Article 243. Next, the 11th schedule of the Constitution is related to which of the following? Answer: the 11th schedule is related with the Panchayat Raj. Next, special provisions regarding financial bills is given under which article? Answer: under Article 117. Next, which one of the following pairs is properly matched? Answer: Election Commission of India with Article 324 is properly matched. Next, which one of the following is not correctly matched? Answer: all are correctly matched except the option D, that is Article 48, separation of judiciary from executive, is not correctly matched. Next, which one of the following is matched correctly? Answer: option D, that is Article 352, means proclamation of national emergency, is correctly matched. Like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.